Hello class, today we will be talking about the life cycle of a frog. So this is just going to give a basic overview of each stage the frog goes through until it reaches the adult life. So we have stage 1 first, which is the egg. So this is the first stage of a frog's life. The female frog, or the mother frog, lays a bunch of eggs in a clump, which is called a spawn. Most species of frogs leave their eggs to develop without any further care, and then within a few weeks the eggs are ready to hatch. Here are some pictures. So you can see here is where the mother is laying the eggs, and you can see their little tiny dots. Here is after the mother has left, they're laying here, and you can see there's still tiny dots. Maybe some of them have started to form. And here you can see they're starting to look a little different. So they have developed these long tails, and their bodies have more of a, they're not quite as just plain round. After that we move on to stage 2, which is tadpole larva. So as tadpoles, they have gills and a mouth and a very long tail. The first week or two after hatching, they move very little. This is to absorb the remaining yolk left over from the egg. Most tadpoles feed on algae as for food, and as it grows, it begins to develop hind limbs. Later in their life, the front limbs will grow, and then their skin will form over the gills, and then they'll breathe through their lungs. Here are some pictures. Here you can see the early stages of a tadpole, where they just have the round bodies and the tail. Here you can see they're a bit more developed. They've got the front legs here. They still have their very long tail. Here you can see they've started to get the hind legs in some of them, but they still look like a tadpole, although much bigger than the one up above. And here you can see they've kind of got more of a frog shape to their head now, and their legs are, or their front legs are there more defined, and here they also have back legs. But notice that tail is still there, so that's going to be an indicator that this frog is not fully an adult yet. Which brings us to the next stage, stage 3, an adult. So about 12 weeks of age is when a frog is considered an adult. The gills and tails have been fully absorbed, and they are ready to venture out onto dry land and eventually repeat the breeding cycle and father or mother frogs of their own. And here are some pictures of some frogs. So in this one, and kind of in this one, you can see that the tail is gone. There's no more tail there. The back legs have fully formed, the front legs have fully formed, and all of these. And you can see that the head is really defined, and you can really tell that they're frogs now. And that is the life cycle of a frog. Thank you.